What's going on, guys? So we are here at Del Air RV in Corpus Christi, Texas, and we're going to take a look at this really interesting floor plan. This is a Crossroads Zinger. This is a stick and tin unit, wood frame, aluminum sided unit, and there is a lot to like about the interior of this. They did something really special, especially if you are a couple and you're looking for a very couples-oriented travel trailer. So hang tight. I think you're going to enjoy this video. All right, let's take a quick look at the numbers on this travel trailer. This has a gross vehicle weight rating of 9,700 pounds. It has a cargo capacity of 3,060 pounds. So this has an incredible cargo capacity. If you take the cargo capacity off of this thing, it's only about a 6,000 pound unit. So this is relatively light when empty, but if you load this thing up with 3,000 pounds worth of cargo, which would probably be pretty difficult, this thing can be kind of heavy. Let's take a quick look at the storage since it's right next to us. Wow, that is a big storage space. Easily 3.5 feet on the bottom, almost 4 feet up top, about 1.5 feet tall. This is kind of shocking. I was not expecting the storage in this to be as large as it is. Let's take a look at the slide technology. It is a rack and pinion slide. Rides on an 8-inch I-beam frame. Very clean underneath. You can see it has front electric stabilizers, and it also has electric stabilizers in the back as well. Coming around to the side, you can see your dump station right here. You have your 30 amp connection right here. This does have LED lighting in the back, even though it looks like incandescent. I can see the LED circuit board right there. Has an outside shower. Here's all your connections. It is wired for a Furrion wireless backup camera. Spare tire hanging off of the back. Coming around to this side, you can see your controls for your electric stabilizers. This has the Moride step above step system. I like how they put this little bottle opener slash dog leash holder. That's actually really convenient. You know, if you have pets and you take them with you, oftentimes you're looking for a place to tie a leash up to, or even to hang something that might need to dry. It's usually an afterthought, but the fact that some RV manufacturers actually install them is pretty nice. Coming down here, it does not have a suspension equalizer. This rides on Lodestar tires. I'd probably swap those out with something a little bit nicer within the first couple thousand miles. This is the back of your refrigerator, back of your water heater, power connections cable if you're going to set a TV out here. Plus you have some marine style speakers there, and what appears to be about a 12-foot awning up top. But let's take a step into this 280 RB. It has a 3-year structural warranty on it. Again, this is a Crossroads unit. You have your control station right here for your slide, as well as your awning, your lights, and your water heater. Coming inside, you'll probably see right off the bat what the appeal of this unit is. So, this is, again, a very traditional floor plan. You see this in a lot of different brands, but the execution's really nice. Has a single air conditioning system right here, a Coleman Mach system. Plus you have a huge booth-style dinette. I mean, this thing is enormous compared to most. Nice sofa right here. Going towards the back. Check this out. When I say couples living, check out the bathroom you get in this travel trailer, and a relatively affordable travel trailer. Double sinks. Nothing in here is screaming high-end, but at the same time, just the fact that you have this number of amenities in here, plus this space, is really amazing. I mean, it takes up the whole width of the back of this RV. Dual vanity, dual medicine cabinets, lots of storage in here for towels, lots of drawers, more cabinets below. Ton of space in here. I mean, check out the amount of space around the toilet. Plus, shower stall is a huge shower stall. Plenty of ceiling height in here as well. Even though this comes off the ground about 5 inches, you can be upwards of about 6'2" and comfortably fit inside of the shower. You have more storage right here, more storage right here. Nice big window in the back with curtain that you can drop down for privacy. Again, just check out the amount of space here. Very, very well designed bathroom space. Coming over here, you have a huge pantry area. This is enormous, and you could probably figure out how to put a washer and dryer in here, even though I don't see any water connections. This would have been a really good space for a stackable washer and dryer, in my opinion. So Crossroads, if you're watching this video, you may want to give people the option, or at least prepping it for a washer and dryer. On this side, you have a spot for your TV right in front of the sofa, which is really nice. You have a fireplace in this unit, something that you don't see in a lot of travel trailers. So it's nice that they put a fireplace in here. Good size refrigerator, good size countertop space. And if you look at the price, MSRP of $33,600, asking price of $24,900. Moving our way to the front, queen size bed. Looks like you have about 18 inches of space on this side, about 13 inches of space on that side. Plenty of space to clear this shelf, so you don't have to worry about hitting your head on there unless you're extremely tall. Lots of cabinet space on the side, tons of room right here. So this is kind of the secret to that storage, the pass-through storage that you saw at the beginning of the video. The fact that they make these really long nightstand table kind of areas, and it opens up that space beneath for storage. A lot of storage. This is where you would mount your TV, cable connection, power connection. Not a lot of wardrobe space in here though. So you really don't have a lot of space for, you know, your clothes. I mean, there's some closets here, maybe something up top. I probably would have suggested that they sacrifice some of that under storage and put some drawers. Something for socks and undergarments, things like that. Overall, though, this is a nice floor plan. It really is. I mean, there's a lot to like about this unit, especially considering, you know, that being a full depth slide, it gives you a lot of room here in the center if you got kids. If you are traveling as a couple, you know, you have a lot of personal space for you. And some of the space that is lacking in the master bedroom in terms of wardrobe, you can kind of make up for here with the storage under the seats, as well as some of the storage you have in the back here. But again, they don't really place it in an area that's convenient to the front living room. Now, what's also nice is the fact that if you do bring kids with you, you can convert this into a bed. So you can sleep 2, 4, 6 whenever you turn that into a jackknife sofa, and still bring quite a few people with you while still having a very functional and usable bathroom. Again, I'm very impressed with the size of this bathroom, and I do like the colors in here. I mean, the wood tones in general are very light and airy. It doesn't have that dark feel. It actually feels very modern, very contemporary. You don't have any of those strange patterns that you see on a lot of RVs. Everything looks really comfortable. There's a lot of space. Again, sitting down on this sofa, it's just perfectly positioned if you're going to be watching a movie, if you just want a place to camp, and you want it to be comfortable and nice. I'd have to say it's a very nice floor plan. At $24,900, it's actually a pretty good value. This is definitely something that you may want to look at if this is in your price category and you're looking for more of a couple style RV with the ability to convert, you know, the dinette into a bed as well as the sofa into a bed if you bring kids with you. Anyways, guys, I sure hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't had a chance, I'd really appreciate it if you took a moment, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and we'll talk to you again very soon.